Welcome to the tutorial on Introduction to LaTeX Document Classes. I am Kishore Datta from Handicrafts College, Guwahati. In this session, you will explore the concept of document classes in LaTeX, which form the basis for structuring and formatting different types of documents. This tutorial provides an overview of various document classes, particularly book, article, and report classes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to understand the concept and purpose of document classes in LaTeX, how to identify the key features and functionalities of commonly used LaTeX document classes, how to distinguish between the article, book, and report document classes, how to determine the appropriate document classes for various types of documents, and how to recognize document layout and formatting that can be customized using class-specific commands and options. To get started, ensure your systems meet the following requirements: a laptop or desktop computer, an operating system such as Windows, Linux, or macOS, a LaTeX distribution like MyTeX, TeXLive, or MacTeX, an editor such as TeXshop, TeXworks, TeXstudio, or TeXmaker. As I am using macOS here, the examples will be demonstrated on this platform for ease of understanding. Let us proceed. Let's have an overview of document classes. A document class in LaTeX defines the overall layout, structure, and formatting of a document. Think of it as the blueprint that determines how your document looks and feels. When you choose a document class, default formatting rules are applied automatically. This includes section styles, pagination, font sizes, and spacing. Document classes provides a solid foundation for creating professional and well-organized documents. They save time by ensuring consistent formatting throughout your document. Let's start with the article class. It uses section, subsection, and sub-subsection commands to divide and organize content effectively. Additionally, commands like paragraph and subparagraphs allows for further organization within sections. Its compact and straightforward format makes it ideal for essays, research papers, articles, and similar shorter documents. Next, we have the report class. This class supports hierarchical structuring commands including part, chapter, section, subsection, sub-subsection, paragraph, and subparagraph commands. All these are commands, so we have to use backslash part, for example. These commands allow detailed organization, making the report class ideal for technical reports, dissertations, project documents, assignments, and other multi-section documents. Next, we have the book class. This class is designed for longer, more extensive work such as books, theses, and dissertations. It includes additional structuring elements such as part, chapter, section, subsection, and sub-subsection, which help organize multi-section documents effectively. Let us now see how document classes in LaTeX help standardize and customize formatting. Document classes in LaTeX help standardize the formatting of your document. This ensures it meets the required academic, scientific, and publishing standards. The consistency makes it easier for authors to focus on writing without worrying about the details of formatting. But LaTeX also offers customization. While it comes with default styles, you can modify them to fit your specific needs, whether you want to adjust fonts, spacings, or layouts. This flexibility allows you to enhance the look and feel of your documents while keeping it well organized and readable. Let's start by exploring the article class in LaTeX, one of the most commonly used classes for shorter documents. As already pointed out, the article class is perfect for journal articles, research papers, essays, and technical reports, offering a compact layout suited for academic and scientific publications. Sectioning commands in the article class help organize your content clearly. You can use section, subsection, and sub-subsection commands to create a hierarchical structure. For more flexibility, you can also use paragraph and sub-paragraph commands. In the article class, titles are created using 3 key commands. These are title, author, and date. Title is used to set the document's title, author to define the authors, and date to specify the date of publication. All these are commands, so we have to use backslash title, backslash author, and backslash date. After defining these elements, you can display them in your documents by using the make title command. This command generates the title page with all the details neatly formatted. The make title command automatically arranges the title, author, and date in a consistent format, making your documents ready for professional presentation. An abstract can be added to your documents to summarize its content in a concise paragraph. To include an abstract in the article class, you can use the abstract environment, which is enclosed by the commands begin abstract and end abstract. This section typically appears at the beginning of the document before the main content. The article class also supports citations and bibliographies, which are essential for academic and research documents. To add citations to your document, use the cite command followed by the reference key from your bibliography. The cite command places in-text citations wherever you need them, ensuring consistent referencing throughout your document. To manage your references and bibliography, LaTeX offers powerful tools that can be integrated directly into the article class. You can specify the bibliography style you want, such as plain for a numbered list of references, alpha for alphabetically ordered references, or more specialized styles like IEEE Tran for IEEE style citations. These styles ensure that your bibliography is formatted according to the specific guidelines required for your field of publication. The default page layout in the article class uses a simple 1-column format with moderate margins. However, if you want to further customize the layout, you can use the fancy header package to adjust the headers and footers, providing greater control over the document's appearance. Additionally, the geometry package allows for fine-tuning of page margins and size, making it easy to adjust the layout to suit specific requirements. The article class supports several types of lists which can be created using the enumerate, itemize, and description environments. These list types allow you to organize information in an ordered, bulleted, or descriptive format, making your documents more readable and structured. When it comes to adding visual elements like tables and figures, the table and figure environments are available to include and properly position these elements. For document containing complex mathematical expressions, the article class integrates well with the AMS Math and AMS Sim packages. These packages offer powerful tools for formatting equations and symbols, enabling the inclusion of advanced mathematical content with ease and precision. I am showing here an example of an article class. Here is the LaTeX file and the corresponding output is here, as you can see now. So the title of the article is an introduction to LaTeX, and then author's name is displayed, and then you can generate the table of contents by just using the command table of contents here. This make title command, as I have explained already, display the title page details, the title of the article and the author's name, and if you want to display the date, you can also display the date here. Then the table of contents contain the section heading. For example, introduction is the first section, why use LaTeX is the second section, and so on, and the corresponding page numbers. So but just writing the command table of contents, you can generate your own table of contents, and then it contains the sections, introduction, why use LaTeX, and all these. So within this environment, as you see here, you can use itemized environment. You can itemize, or you can use bullets to create some highlighted points, and then you can use part, as I have discussed already. So details how to write in LaTeX I will describe in the next session, but here I am giving just an overview of how the article written in a LaTeX looks like. So as you see here, there are many sections, and you can draw tables, you can use equation environment, I mean mathematical environment, or you can use hyperlinks, figures, cross-referencing, and finally a bibliography you can generate, or the list of references you can generate using the command bibliography, begin the bibliography, end the bibliography, and then within begin bibliography and the bibliography you can itemize your references by using the command bib item. So this is a brief overview of an article class using which you can generate a research paper or a short article or an essay. Let's now explore on book class. As pointed out earlier, the book class in LaTeX is specifically designed for long complex documents such as books, theses, and dissertations. It provides a robust framework that helps manage multi-chapter structures, making it ideal for detailed organization and large-scale documents. The book class offers additional sectioning commands to facilitate this organization. Chapters are created using the chapter command, allowing for a clear division of content. For even more structure, the part command groups multiple chapters into larger sections. Additionally, the appendix command marks supplementary materials such as appendices, helping create a logical and organized flow for complex documents. The front matter in the book class includes several key elements that help organize and present the document professionally. The title page is created using the title, author, and date commands, followed by make title commands to display the title page. This is same as the article class. In addition to the title page, the front matter allows for the inclusion of other sections such as dedications, prefaces, and forewords. These sections are added as separate parts using the chapter command, or as sections using section, depending on your preference for document organization. The book class automatically generates a table of contents with the command \table of contents. Additionally, list of figures and tables can be added with the commands \list of figures and \list of tables, ensuring your documents is well structured and easy to navigate. The back matter in the book class includes important elements like bibliographies, indexes, and glossaries, which help organize and enhance the usability of the document. These elements are typically placed at the end of the document, providing references and additional details for the reader. To manage references and citations, the book class uses the command \bibliography. This command is used to specify the location of your bibliography file where you store all the references used in your documents. The style of the bibliography is determined by the command \bibliography style. Common citation styles include plain, which orders references numerically, and IEEE Tran, which follows the IEEE citation style for technical documents. Indexes help readers quickly locate important terms, topics, or concepts in your document. In the book class, you can create an index using the make IDX package. Once this package is included, you can mark terms for indexing using the \index command, and then the \print index command will generate the index at the end of the document. By default, the book class uses two-sided layout, which alternates margins, making it suitable for printed works such as books. This layout ensures that the binding side of the document has a larger margin. Customization options allow you to adjust margins and binding offsets using the geometry package, and you can also design headers and footers using the fancy header package. The fancy header package allows for customization, including adding chapters or section names to headers for later navigation. Here I am showing an example of the book class. I have declared the class book in the first line, and it is two-side 11 point, which generates a simple book. The title of the book is a book on basics of LaTeX, and then the author name is displayed. So this is the title page, and all these pages are numbered by Roman numerals, as you see here. So the title page, after title page, there is another page, dedication, as usual we have seen in some standard book. This is the dedication page. It also has Roman numerals for page numbers, and then you can generate list of tables, table of contents. So all are belong to the front matter. As I have discussed already, there are three main sections in a book: front matter, main matter, and then back matter. The title page, dedication, preface, table of contents, list of tables all belong to front matter. So details I will discuss in the next class. So here in this session I am giving you a brief introduction of how to create a book. So I am using, as you see here briefly, I am using make title command here, and then chapter, list of tables, table of contents, all these are here, and all these belong to, somewhere I have used front matter, this one, front matter command, \front matter. Within \front matter there are titles, author, date, and then you can use a separate dedication page, and then you can write list of tables, table of contents, all this. So as you see in the list of or table of contents, it displays the dedication page, and page numbering is Roman numeral. Preface, as you see, this is also Roman numeral. And then the main matter begins from introduction. Introduction itself is the first chapter, chapter 1. Then technical details. So technical details, I have used somewhere the part command that is available in book class. So I can quickly show you where I have used part command. So this is the part command. So this generates a separate part, technical details, which include several chapters, chapter 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is the preface page, and then main chapter begins, main matter begins from chapter 1 and so on. You can, within chapters, you can write, you can generate, or you can use section, subsection, everything as usually used in article class. And finally, you can generate an index using just the command make. In the preamble, you have to use package imake idx and then /make index command that generates the index as you see here. This is very useful for writing a book where towards the end there are back matters, and this back matter includes the list of in this index as we have generated here, and then bibliography as a list of references. For bibliography, as we have used in the article class, here also the same thing. You can use begin the bibliography and the bibliography, and within begin the bibliography and the bibliography you can use the bib item command for each reference you have used. So this is only a simple example of how to write a book using the book class of LaTeX. In the next session, I will show you step by step how to create a book and what are the essential commands available in book class. Finally, let's explore the report class in detail. The report class is ideal for documents that are longer and require chapter divisions but do not need the extensive structure or formatting of a full book. This class is commonly used for documents like technical reports, academic theses, and other longer papers that involve multiple chapters or sections but do not necessarily need the more advanced organizational features of the book class. With the report class, you get a flexible structure that allow for chapter divisions using the chapter command while still maintaining a simple layout compared to the book class. This makes it a great choice for projects that need the functionality of chapter but do not require a highly complex formatting setup. The report class also supports a formal title page and dedicated font matter, including a table of contents and list of figures and tables. Unlike the book class, the report class offers a simplified structure, making it more suitable for moderately complex documents. It focuses on providing essential chapter-based organization without the need for the additional elements found in the book class. The report class excludes features like dedications, prefaces, and glossaries, which are typically used in more detailed work such as books. This keeps the document layout simpler and more focused on the content. The report class defaults to a single-sided layout, which is ideal for digital documents or printing on one side of the page only. This layout is more suitable for reports and theses, which are often not intended for two-sided printing. Additionally, the report class does not support grouping chapters into parts, a feature that is available in the book class. This limitation further emphasizes the focus on simpler, more manageable structures for moderately complex documents. To conclude, this tutorial provides an overview of LaTeX important document classes. When working with LaTeX, choosing the right document class is crucial to ensuring your documents is organized and properly formatted. The article class is ideal for shorter documents like essays, research papers, and journal articles. The article class offers a simple layout with sectioning commands such as section, subsection, and sub-subsection commands. Titles in the article class are created using title, author, and date commands displayed with make title command. The article class supports automatic generation of a table of contents and list of figures as well as list of tables. The book class is designed for long detailed works like books, theses, and dissertations. The book class includes advanced sectioning commands like chapter and part, ideal for organizing contents into multiple sections. The book class automatically generates a table of contents, list of figures, and list of tables. The book class supports two-sided printing with alternating margins, making it suitable for printed books. The book class includes extra elements like dedications, prefaces, and glossaries, which are not necessary for simpler documents. The report class is ideal for longer reports, theses, and technical documentation. The report class focuses on chapter divisions with the chapter command and a formal title page. Unlike the book class, the report class does not include elements like dedications, prefaces, and glossaries. The report class is well suited for single-sided printing and moderately complex documents. So in conclusion, use the article class for shorter, simpler documents. Use the report class for moderately long documents with chapters but without complex formatting needs. Use the book class for large, detailed work that require extensive chapter divisions and additional elements like prefaces and indexes. Before concluding, let's assess your understanding with a couple of quick multiple choice questions. This will help you review and reinforce what we covered in this tutorial. Here is the first question. Take a moment to consider your answer. What is the primary purpose of a document class in LaTeX? The options are: option A, to define the font style; option B, to determine the layout and structure of a document; option C, to include graphics; and option D, to specify the paper size. So the primary purpose of a document class in LaTeX is, the correct answer is option B, to determine the layout and structure of a document. Let's look at the next question. Which LaTeX document class is commonly used for articles and research papers? Options are report, book, article, letter. Which LaTeX document class is commonly used for articles and research papers? So the correct answer is C, article. Question number 3. What does the LaTeX document class article typically include? Options are chapter formatting and book layout. Option B, sections and subsections. Option C, index and table of contents. Option D, none of the above. What does the LaTeX document class article typically include? So the correct answer is B, sections and subsections. Let's look at question number 4. What is the primary purpose of the make title command in the article class? Options are to generate the table of contents, to create a bibliography, to define a new section, and to insert a title page. So the make title command in the article class is used to insert a title page. So the correct answer is D. Let's look at question number 5. Which of the following environments is typically used to include supplementary material in the book class? Options are preface, foreword, introduction, appendix. So the environment that is typically used to include supplementary materials in the book class is appendix. So the correct answer is D. What is the primary purpose of the article document class in LaTeX? The options are writing novels, option B, writing short papers, journal articles or essays, option C, drafting presentations, and option D, preparing thesis. What is the primary purpose of the article document class in LaTeX? So the correct option is option B, writing short papers, journal articles or essays. The next question is, which default font size is supported by the article class? Options are 10 point, 9 point, 12 point, 14 point. So the correct option is option A, 10 point, because the default font size in article class is 10 point. The next question is, what is the default paper size in the article class? Options are A3, A4, letter, legal. The correct option is option B, A4. Next question is, which of these command is used to create an abstract in the article class? Option A, text abstract. Option B, make abstract command. Option C, begin abstract and abstract environment. And option D, summary. The command used to create an abstract in the article class is begin abstract and an abstract. So the correct option is option C. In the next question, which sectioning command is unique to the book class? Options are section command, chapter command, subsection command, and title command. So the unique command in the book class is chapter, which is used to create chapters in a book. So the correct option will be option B. In the next question, in the book class, where does the table of content usually appear by default? Options are option A, at the end of the document, option B, after the title page and before the main content, option C, before the preface, and option D, between chapters. So the table of content usually appear in the book class after the title page and before the main content. So the correct option will be option B, after the title page and before the main content. Let's look at the next question. How does the book class handle chapters in the table of contents by default? Option A, displays only their numbers. Option B, displays titles without numbering. Option C, displays titles and with numbering and page numbers. And option D, chapters are not included in the table of contents. As I have shown earlier, in the book class, the chapters in the table of content appears as with titles and numbering of and page numbers. So the correct option will be option C, displays titles with numbering and page numbers. The next question is, what is the primary purpose of the report document class? Options are option A, writing novels, option B, drafting resumes, option C, writing technical or academic reports, and option D, preparing slides. The primary purpose of the report document class is writing technical or academic reports. So the correct option will be option C. Let's look at the next question. What sectioning commands are included in the report class? Option A, only section and subsection commands. Option B, chapter, section and subsection commands. Option C, chapter command only. And option D, only paragraph and subparagraph commands. So the report class supports chapter, section and subsection as I discussed earlier. So the correct option will be option B. Let's look at the next question. How is the report class different from the article class? Option A, it supports chapter commands for organizing content. Option B, it has smaller margins by default. Option C, it is designed for presentations. And option D, it does not include a title page by default. The report class supports chapter commands for organizing content. So the correct option will be option A. Thank you.